While outgoing NPA head advocate Shamila Batohi initiated the inquiry into fitness of South Gauteng Prosecutions boss, advocate Andrew Chauke, proceedings at the Nkabinde Enquiry appeared to place Batohi's own conduct under scrutiny. She conceded that she did not consult senior prosecutors who were briefed to defend the review application related to racketeering charges against Major General Johan Boysen and members of the Cato Manor unit before deciding to withdraw those charges. Batohi also could not recall receiving an email addressed to her by witnesses alleging abuse and intimidation by members of the Cato Manor police unit. This prompted advocate Nkabinde to accuse Batohi of dereliction of duty and defeating the ends of justice.
Could you then explain yourself why a witness who is being threatened and intimidated and abused has reported it to you personally, you have not taken action to protect that witness?
I can't recall what precisely happened at the time in 2019. I see that the email was forwarded to me as well as to Advocate Mzanyati and Advocate Matska, who was the in the NPS at the time. And I cannot recall what exactly happened at the time, and it will be speculative of me to try to answer that now.
Advocate Andrew Chauke was suspended in July this year following allegations that he pursued racketeering charges against Major General Johan Boysen and the Cato Manor police unit despite an alleged lack of evidence. He also faces accusation of referring murder charges against former crime intelligence head Richard Mdluli to an inquest despite what Batohi claims was overwhelming evidence. Although Batohi motivated for the inquiry to be established, she was today accused of absconding from the very proceedings after requesting to only return once she had obtained legal advice.
True to what you had requested or what you have informed them of, when we resumed, you did not come back.
That is correct.
And you knew that we had resumed.
I had indicated to my counsel that that is what I will do. I was not going to come back, so I imagine that that would have been communicated to the panel.
And over the period, for the duration of this inquiry, any of the active participants in this inquiry would ask to be excused if the party or the participant would not be able to sit through the inquiry. To make an example, there's a time when Advocate Skosana left, there's a time when Advocate Hali left, there's a time when Mr. Mkabela left. In all those instances, they would have requested the inquiry to excuse them. It would be on application. Is it correct?
In my view, the circumstances are different, but you are correct.
And you found it proper not to even come back when we resumed to ask to be excused?
In the circumstances, which are important, I communicated through Karen to my counsel to inform the panel of what I've decided. And that was out of respect. I didn't want to just disappear. But I remained in the building as well. I was in an office. And when I was asked to come back, I came back.
Had you not been requested to come back, would you have come back?
No.
Advocate Nkabinde has since appealed to Justice Nkabinde and her panel to compel Batohi to waive her right to further participation at the inquiry, citing the manner in which she sought to be excused. Offense Timo, SABC News, Pretoria.